The world of two wheels, lost in another dimension, floating across an asphalt track on a magic carpet of heat mirage. When you dream of a classic week of spectacular motorcycle competition, you dream of scenes like these, the flat-out fantastic world of speed. You think of Daytona Beach, Florida. Center stage for this kind of action is an internationally known speedway made famous both by the challenge it represents and by the quality of competition this carefully engineered challenge produces. But Daytona's cycle classics are not limited to a single event. The classics are a slice of life, a sociological gathering that suddenly drifts into this beautiful Florida resort and then melts away a week later, right on schedule to be replaced by a completely different atmosphere. To any visitor, this week in time offers a limitless variety of entertaining moods, with racing only one kind of icing on a cake that can be sliced in many different ways. Speed first came to Daytona because of a hard, flat beach, which lent itself to the search for land speed records in sports car racing. That same beach, still used as one of the resort's main streets, now lends itself more to cruising pelicans and surf and man's eternal love affair with salt water. From tranquil seascapes to the controlled fury of the Daytona Motocross, this bone-jarring steeplechase on wheels has been successfully transplanted from its European roots to become one of the most popular professional motorcycle series in the United States. Motocross at the Classics features the nation's most durable riders in pursuit of $10,000. The biggest bundle of all on the 11-event professional trail. But professional motocross is actually pretty tame compared to 100 miles of legalized insanity known as the Alligator Enduro. Sponsored by the Daytona Beach Motorcycle Club, this swamp-trotting spectacular attracts over 400 uninhibited masochists, including Iron Man Gary Bailey of the motocross world and Bill France, president of NASCAR. Their exploits over some of the roughest terrain nature can offer are unreal. The stock answer to man's motives for climbing a mountain has become because it's there. The men who attend the Alligator Enduro have no stock answers for this love triangle between man, machine, and swamp. Not everybody comes to this classic weekend on the Florida shore in order to see the races. Some people come here as part of the act itself. They come to be seen, feeling more like migratory atmosphere than spectator. Each year, this incredible collection of machinery blossoms along Main Street from end to end, as if competing with the equally spectacular cycle shows more formally presented by the top manufacturers at Daytona's Plaza Hotel and at the High Life Fronton. Here, cycle enthusiasts browse among the newest and most glamorous inventions from the world they love. Even as thousands of fans quietly admire this amazing handiwork, others enjoy hard-nosed dirt track competition long into the night at Daytona's Municipal Stadium, where the best dirt track riders in the world compete for thousands of dollars in prize money. The flat track races at Daytona's Memorial Stadium have developed into one of the most exciting events in a week of classic two-wheel thrills. Spiced by an international field, including British champion Barry Briggs, they attack the dirt with a variety of styles. This moonlight spectacular gives racing fans a chance to witness virtually every aspect of a pro rider's lifestyle. The smooth asphalt surface of high-speed road racing makes it look and sometimes feel like a ballet. The dirt track experience is more like riding a jackhammer. The wild enthusiasm of the crowd at this event seems to be contagious as wave after wave of bikes, seemingly bent on doing the impossible, scream into action. Headliner of the greatest week of motorcycling in the world is the Daytona 200, witnessed by the largest crowd in the history of North American cycle racing, 62,000 people. This is a truly international event with the finest riders on two wheels competing for over $100,000 in prize money. It draws the who's who of cycling, including Finland's world champion Jarno Saarinen, England's Paul Smart, Canada's Yvonne Duhamel, and an elite corps of American champions like Gary Nixon, Don Emdy, Gene Romero, Dick Mann, Cal Rayburn, and pro racing's #1, Mark Brailsford. Without a doubt, this single event represents the world's premier motorcycle race, complete with the finest drivers from around the world, followed by thousands of loyal fans. Aided by Daytona's famous high banks, these unlimited machines reach speeds of over 175 miles per hour. After sorting out over the first few laps with the fastest qualifiers sharing the lead, the unruffled expertise of world champion Jarno Saarinen began to tell. When the legendary Finn finally claimed the lead, there was no holding him back. Lap after lap, he increased his lead with some of the smoothest riding seen in the history of Daytona's cycle racing Grand Prix. The Daytona 200. It's a migratory stopover for the fastest men and machines in the world. It's an elusive dream at the end of racing's rainbow. Daytona's slightly fabulous celebration in honor of two-wheel speed, the Motorcycle Classics. It's a mechanical mystery tour, a photographer's paradise, a sea lover's favorite retreat, and it's a cycle buff's heaven. Its moods and dimensions of beauty and excitement are limited only by a person's imagination. Once a year, the world of cycle racing shifts its spotlight to a beautiful resort town on Florida's Atlantic coast. It happens every spring, the Daytona Motorcycle Classics.
9 to 5 of life it seems makes every man a slave in a world that's so full of colors. We live our lives in shades of gray. If I'm to ever gain control, be the master of my soul, I'll grasp life with both my hands, and then I'll risk it all. Once you've seen beyond the ragged edge, you're living